Jobs like that are so much easier when you've got the right tool. So I've taken off this damper thing, because if I take these off, so this is a factory crank pulley. It's basically got one giant bit of rubber in the middle to like dampen the vibrations from the crank to the actual pulley itself, but you can't really see. Well, you can see that it's split, but you can feel that it's got play, and I think that was what's causing our belts to snap. There's the evidence of some of the belt there. So what we've done, we've gone and bought this, which is a solid one. You read online, and there's many pros and cons to running a solid one versus a damped one. I think the best damped one you can get for like a motorsport use is, I think they call it the ATI or something. They're about 400 quid. I've gone for this. It's 0% calves, which basically means it's standard size, and it's considerably lighter. This apparently weighs 2.5 kilos. This is half a kilo. So it's a weight saving. I'll need to heat it up before I chuck it on there, but I'm not chucking it on there just now, because since I'm here, we need to do the camshaft anyway. So I'm going to take all this off to look at the timing chain. I must stress, this is not a how-to. Like, I don't think this is recommended, but it's keeping me right. The cam we're fitting, by the way, is a Cat Cam 469. I believe it's their race cam. obviously you've got the rockers, which are these things here. So the cam spins round, moves these up and down, these push the valve down. If you can see there's like little orange bits, so they're like obviously the tappets. So just at the bottom of here, bottom of each rocker there's a tappet, like a little orange cap, so they fall out quite easily. So once you get it in, you just want to make sure that you've got all the orange caps, which it looks like I do. And then you're good to go. Put the bolts back in. Right then, as you'll see from the time lapse, the engine is back in. I don't know if I mentioned it previously, but we've fitted a Vibrotechnics mount on this side to replace the one that burst, and the engine is now absolutely solid. There's no movement in that at all, which is good. Started getting the engine plumbed up, changed the injectors, changed the spark plugs. So all that's done. Just think the coolant go on top of there now. Gear linkages and hoses are all kind of vaguely connected up. I need to go home and find a clip for that one there. But that's that. The rest is just plugs in nice and easy. And then put the front end back on. In my destruction to try and get this bottom ball joint off, I kind of hit this cross pipe that goes here, so I've got a new one to go on. I'll fit that tomorrow. And if we come down to the inside, dash is back in. Started getting the cage back in. And yeah, just need to button all this stuff up. Still got a small pile of parts. Battery's on charge, but I think my charger's kind of broken. It's just, well, I actually unplugged it, but it was just flashing green. I don't know what that's doing. Started taking this. Like I said in the previous video, I think I started taking all this sound in and out, so this is it on the floor. So yeah, really it's just a bit of tidying up to do to get this ready to go down to the rolling road. I'll end this video here, and then the next one I'll film us going down, well, I'll film this being finished and us going down the road to get this tuned and power checked and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's it. We'll thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.